Where is the deep sea?
Unfortunately, it isn't as deep as a 14-year-old on TikTok. It is, however, as deep as 4 kilometers to 13 kilometers down.
It isn't a biological dead zone though. It's full of fauna one can only imagine to see on another planet.
If there's fish, what do they eat? Are there any plant life or plankton down there?
No. There are, however, marine snow and particles of dead organic matter falling down from the sunlit sea. There are occasionally sponges, tube worms, and bacteria. However, what they cannot synthesize anything using sunlight.
Okay, so what do they actually do and what do they look like?
I'll give you 3 examples: giant tube worms, yeti crabs, and giant isopods.
Giant tube worms are in fact worms, and not coral nor plant life in the deep sea. They feed on the soup coming out of hydrothermal vents, and so they live near these vents. Yeti crabs also live near these vents because they eat bacteria in addition to scavenging. Lastly are giant isopods. They are a good example of deep sea gigantism and are the most important scavengers of the deep. Obviously, they scavenge dead sea creatures. The best thing that they could ever have is a short-lived but bountiful whale carcass that falls from above, a blessing from the heavens where they feast on the calorie-rich fat, muscle, and bone. Nothing there goes to waste.
Well, do you mind if I ask one more thing? Are they safe from climate change at all? They have to be. They're miles away from the surface, right?
No, not even the deepest depths can protect anything from climate change. Researchers have concluded and warned us all about climate change's impact on the planet, which include but are not limited to things like ocean acidification, which threatens the habitats of our favorite deep sea fauna.
We cannot understand how important they are to the oceans. They are nature's cleanup crew, and they build communities around the dead creatures that roam near the surface. The balance they have, like all ecosystems, must not be changed or altered in any way. Any change done will only create future problems for future generations. So it is important for us to be conscious about what we do to the environment. We must always strive to help and prevent anything to contribute to climate change because everything counts.